Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you 6 powerful methods to remove duplicates in Excel from beginner to advanced level. These techniques will help you clean data faster and more accurately. Let's get started. So the first method is built-in remove duplicate button. So we have some data having some names in which I have put some duplicates for sake of using this as an example. So what we have to do, we have to select the data. So we have to select the data and go to data tab. In this data tab we have data tools options in which we have to go to remove duplicates. So there will be a pop-up box in which it is asking you on which column you have to apply the remove duplicate function. So we are having only one column, so I'll say OK and it will remove. So the pop-up is coming saying 5 duplicate values found and removed, 12 unique values remain. So we have removed successfully the duplicate values. Next, coming to the second method, which is advanced filter unique records only. So we have the same data tab in which there is an advanced option in which there is a pop-up coming which is asking filter the list in place. Means it will filter the list as it is on the place, and if you want to copy to some other location you can take it. They copy to another location as well, which will ask you the location. So I'm doing it right here only, and what we have to do, we have to tick the unique records only. This will enable the Excel to remove the duplicates from this list. So pressing OK will give me a unique value records. Next, coming to method 3, which is conditional formatting. So now again selecting the data table. Now coming to home option. In this we have conditional formatting, and in that we have highlight cell rules. In that we have duplicate values. So the Excel is showing you the duplicate values and you can manage them by deleting or modifying them. So in this way Excel help you to identify the duplicate value columns. Next, coming to method 4, which is using countif function. So let's assume we want to get how many duplicate values are there in our data. So we have to select the range. This is our range. Now we have to give the criteria. Means if we want to know that if Deep is having any duplicate entries, so pressing enter will give us 3. Yes, the name Deep is coming 3 times in this list. So in this way we can get the number of count of each value if we have any doubts. So you can filter by number greater than 1 to quickly identify and remove unwanted entries. Next, coming to the fifth method, which is unique function. So in this case we will use the unique function, and what it says, it wants us to give the array range, and this is the array range. So now we are having only one column, so we don't have to give any by column or exactly once. So pressing enter will give us the range having unique records. So this is the fifth and the simplest method. This instantly gives you a dynamic spell range of unique values. No formula, no copy paste, the cleanest method for modern Excel. Last and the sixth option, which is Power Query professional data cleaning. So we have a data range. So we have a data range to which I have converted into a table. Now coming to data, and in get data, get and transform data, you have to select from table range, and it will open the Power Query editor. So now we have the Power Query editor. In this Power Query editors we have to go on reduce rows. In reduce rows we have to go to remove rows and remove duplicates. So in this way we have deleted the duplicate values from the data. Power Query gives you a repeatable, refreshable cleaning process perfect for large data set or automated process. So here are some quick pros tips. Always keep a backup before removing duplicates, otherwise you'll lose the original data. Use Power Query when working with large or frequently updated data. Unique is the best formula method for dynamic reports because it will give you instantly a data having no duplicates. So if you find this video helpful, do hit like, share and subscribe for more advanced Excel tutorials, and comment if you want any topic to be explained here. So meet you in next video. Till then, bye.